Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today we delve into network marketing with a project developed by Pininfarina Signo. It's called VCARD and promises to completely change the way we present ourselves, the way we share our information, and why not, our business. I received the VCARD in advance so that I could use it, test it, and understand in detail what it means to use such an advanced product that actually promises to change our future. Premium Farnesegno is a project born with a unique vision, aiming to create new and unprecedented writing experiences and scenarios in terms of design, technologies, materials, and usage. A design workshop dedicated to the world of writing and accessories, where objects born from Pininfarina's creativity are developed, and at the same time, a creative observatory capable of selecting and proposing international brands deserving visibility and dissemination, having distinguished themselves for innovation, creativity, and values aligned with those of Pininfarina. So first of all, Pininfarina sent me this incredible product and we're going to open it together. Just from the packaging, you can understand the value of this project. Firstly, the logo and written parts are embossed and reflective. And here you immediately understand the value and how it was developed from the packaging to the object itself, because by opening it, we first have the welcome. That is, here is an innovative and ecological new business card with all the descriptions. And inside we find our card. The incredible thing about this product is that they have sent different ones. So just look at the aesthetic level, what a difference. Usually business cards are the classic rectangular shape with a slight bevel. And on the right side, we have this incredible detail that makes the product unique. Now, VCARD is fully customizable, so we can engrave anything we want. On this side, we have the option to select different types of textures or simply leave the VCARD indication. On the back, we have powered by Pininfarina, which can also be chosen to keep or not. This QR code allows you to do a variety of things, which we will see later. There are two very simple types of configurations available. We can select a very simple card with the company logo, or personalize it with our own name and surname. Additionally, we can choose from different materials such as recycled PVC or steel. This provides a very different tactile sensation. The recycled PVC version is available, as well as a limited edition steel version. Aesthetically, it has a stunning effect and is the number 23 out of 300. Aesthetically, they have the same shape, but the touch is different, completely different. You can even see it in the light that it has been laser engraved, and the tactile sensation is incredible. So it is a digital but also physical card that makes an incredible difference, even just in how you present yourself and how the person can take it in hand to perform an operation, which is to obtain their own information. I can provide an incredible experience to the user who sees it for the first time, because you can place it on the phone and then we will see this in detail, or give it to allow your interlocutor to perform this operation directly. We are in a historical period of incredible ecological transition, and just the fact that this is recycled PVC, steel already tells you where they have gone, in which direction Pininfarina has taken to create something different. You see, in the world of design, when we develop something, we are responsible for what we are going to develop. In this case, they have created something with the idea of wanting to remove material like paper. When we have a business card, the classic business cards are made of paper. Paper is a type of material that when we create a business card, we usually make 1,000 of them, but this has a significant impact on the environment, especially if we suddenly need to change, like changing maybe jobs, changing roles within the company. This can make you throw away a lot of business cards, and in this case, it doesn't happen. Behind this incredible project lies a work that has lasted more than 24 months from a team of young talent, and the beating heart is hidden in the application that you can download within the iOS or Android system. Here you already realize how simple it can be to use. Let's see in detail what VCARD can do, because there are many functions. It is not limited to just presentation. You can share the contact card, which will be directly stored in your interlocutor's phone in the most common virtual format, namely VCARD. One thing that has been very useful to me is the ability to create different profiles based, for example, on different jobs you're working on at that moment. In my case, I work with different entities, different companies, and when, for example, I have to attend a meeting or an event dedicated to that company, I don't have the company's business card, but I have the direct references of the company. What I do is simply switch change the profile with the VCARD function, and place it on my interlocutor's phone. There, I can select the information I need, such as the company email, the company phone number, or my personal information. This depends a lot on you. It depends a lot on the information you want to convey at that moment. So far, we have talked about individual entities, such as in my case or in the case of a representative. But try to imagine a much larger reality, a company. Just think about those professional figures who may change roles after 6 months, a year. So maybe you start from a lower position and move up. In that case, you don't need to get a new business card, just update the information inside, transitioning from a role like junior industrial designer to a role like senior industrial designer. In that case, you don't need to print business cards, you just need to change information on the app, and then this will go directly on the business card that you will present. Even if a professional decides to leave, the company can keep the business card and simply replace the information inside. In that case, what does the company do? It will put its logo and name on the card without personalizing, for example, the name and surname on the business card. VCARD is a service that operates using NFC technology, which is an integrated system in your phone where you simply need to tap the card to transmit your information. Furthermore, on the back, as I showed you before, there is a QR code. Thanks to this QR code, you can use any video camera, phone camera, and select the link it provides to access the information you are sending. Furthermore, the VCARD application can only be downloaded by the person sending the information, so the other person does not need this type of application. Just have a smartphone, a phone at hand. Another very interesting thing that has been super useful to me is the ID level feature, meaning there are situations where you want to hide certain information, such as maybe you want to send your email, your website, a whole range of information, but you don't want to transmit your phone number. This often happens, for example, in situations where a business card only has the company's phone number and email, but lacks the personal information of the person giving you that card. This is very convenient because you can modify the ID level in real time. So before handing out the card, you can open your smartphone, select the information you want to share, and simply pass your card. Another very useful function is called Linktree, where you can transmit some of your information, including your profile, where there will be the website, links to your social media, links to your portfolio, basically a lot of information you want to convey in real time. It's fast, it's direct, you can modify it in very little time. Another feature, and this is something really smart, is what is called lead generation. Have you ever been to a trade fair, met someone, asked for their business card, and that person didn't have it at that moment? What are you doing? You switch to the landing generator application. Placing your card on the phone leads you to enter its information. So he decides which information to pass on to you. Moreover, thanks to this feature, you can add some notes, for example, about the conversation that took place, about some features you found. Maybe you spoke with 10 different people. By using this system, you can easily save and download it, so you have a list of all the information that has been transmitted. Another very convenient feature is what is called redirect, and I'll tell you about this through an experience I personally had. Not long ago, a few weeks ago, I gave a conference at the Politecnico di Milano, and I went to a part where, let's say, the world of design was not exactly in the spotlight. They asked me for the link to what is the YouTube page, and what did I do? I switched to the VCARD application and went to select the link to my YouTube channel. What I did was simply hand the card to the first person in line, who then placed it on the phone, passed it to the next person, and so on. In a very short time, around 50 to 60 people had the direct link to my YouTube channel. You can also use it for sharing a portfolio, a website, various information. So this feature is very convenient in this case as well. It is important to know that the data you will enter is saved and encrypted with 256-bit encryption in accordance with European standards. When I received this VCARD product in advance, the first thing I immediately wondered about was its environmental impact. Every product that enters the market has an impact that can be more or less negative. In this case, we are talking about physical products made of recycled PVC, steel, and stainless steel. The question is what impact it can have, what impact it can truly have on the environment, and the answer you can simply see by using it. Since I started using this product, I immediately realized that the amount of paper used every single day to to exchange business cards has been completely eliminated. Thanks to B1 Card, you will be able to see a forest with your own eyes, because we are talking about products that truly help save nature. And this is a perfect example of how design can be done in the right way. I am certain that B1 Card will be one of those projects that will leave an indelible mark within our society and will be one of the products capable of truly changing the way we see things, the world we are living in. Let me know in the comments what you think, then I'll leave the link in the description where you can see this project with your own eyes and understand how to take a step towards the future. That's it. Until next time, bye.